Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about the least common multiple or LCM for Mathematics 4. Find the LCM of the following numbers. Our first method is the listing method. So our given is 4 and 12. And this is how we are going to do it. Let's have the solution. And then we will be writing the given vertically. So it will become 4 here and 12 here. And then we have to do skip counting. Okay. So let's start with 4. So that is 4, 8, 12, 16. You can stop here and then proceed with 12. 12, 24, 36, 48. And then this is what you are going to do. You have to choose. Which number did 4 and 12 have in common first? Again, in which number did 4 and 12 have in common first? So we have here 4, no, because 12 doesn't have 4. 8, no, again, because 8 is not in 12. But we have here 12. It is in 4 and it is also in 12. So therefore, the answer for the LCM here is equal to 12. So that's how you do the listing method. Next, we have here 16 and 48. Let's write our solution here. And then write the given vertically. So we have here 16 and 48. Let's do skip counting. So we have here 16, 32, 48. Then you can move to 48 now. So we have here 48. So as you can see, we already have a number that match 16 and 48. So 16 is not because it is not in 48. 32 is not because it is not in 48. 48 is a yes. It is because it is also in 48. So therefore, our LCM here that we are looking for is 48. So that is for listing method. Next, we have here 42 and 56. So let's write our solution. Let's write the given vertically. So that's 42 and 56. Kindly do this skip counting. Let's start with 42. So we have here 42, 84, 126. Then let's proceed with 56. So we have here 56, 112, 168. As you can see, still we don't have any number that match 42 and 56 because 42 is not in 56, 84 is not in 56, 126 is not in 56. Also, 56 is not in 42, 112 is not in 42, 168 is not in 42. So now, let's add numbers for 42. So we have here 126. After that, we have here 168. So now we have here our number that match 42 and 56. And that is 168. You will always get the first number that match the given numbers. Okay? So we have here LCM is equal to 168. So that is the answer for number 3. Listing method still. Let's have the ladder method. This is also known as the continuous division method in other books. Let's have 25 and 60. So this is what you are going to do. Let's write solution first. Kindly write the given simultaneously. We have here 25 and 60. And then we will have the symbol for ladder method. And then you have to think of a number that can divide 25 and 60 or 25 or 60. What does it mean? The use of and or. So it means that you can choose a number that can divide 25 and 60, both of them, without remainder. But you can also choose a number that can divide 25 only or 60 only. But be careful, you have to choose a prime number. If ever that you will be choosing a composite number, your answer will be incorrect. Let's start. What number, prime number specifically, can divide 25 and 60? We can have 5 here. 25 divided by 5, that is 5. Write 5 below 25. 60 divided by 5, that's 12. So write 12 below 60. And until it is not 1, we will not stop. Okay? So think of a prime number that can divide 5 and 12, or 5 or 12. We can use 5 again. 5 divided by 5, that's 1. 12 divided by 5, not possible because there will be a remainder and we don't want that. So therefore, just bring down 12. Next, think of a prime number that can divide 12. That is 3. Bring down 1 since it is already 1. 12 divided by 3, that is 4. Now, think of a prime number that can divide 4, and that is 2. Bring down 1 since it is already 1. 4 divided by 2, that's 2. Now, think of a prime number that can divide 2, and that's 2. So bring down 1 since it is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So now we have here our prime numbers, these numbers. So what are you going to do is to multiply all of them to get the LCM. Let's write it here. So we have here LCM is equal to 5 times 5 times 3 times 2 times 2. All of these numbers should be included. Now let's multiply. Let's start with 5 times 5. So 5 times 5, that's 25. Times 3 times 2 times 2. Let's continue. So we have here 25 times 3, that's 75. Times 2 times 2. So 75 times 2, that is 150. Times 2. 150 times 2, that is 300. So therefore, the LCM of 25 and 60 is equal to 300. Next, how about 15 and 75? Same process. Let's write our solution here. So we have here 15 and 75. So just think of a number that can divide prime numbers specifically, that can divide 15 and 75 at the same time without remainder. We can use 5 here. So 15 divided by 5, that's 3. 75 divided by 5, that's 15. Next, think of a prime number that can divide 3 and 15 or 3 or 15. We can use 5 again. 3 divided by 5 not possible because 3 is less than 5. So bring down 3. 15 divided by 5, that is 3. And then think of a prime number that can divide 3 and 3 or 3 or 3. So that is 3. 3 divided by 3, that's 1. 3 divided by 3, that's 1. So we have to stop here. So we have here 5, 5, and 3. So therefore, we have here 5 times 5 times 3. This is for the LCM. So let's start. 5 times 5, that's 25 times 3. So 25 times 3, that is 75. So the LCM for these numbers is 75. So lastly, we have here 82 and 120. So let's have our solution. Let's write 82 and 120 here. Think of a prime number that can divide 82 and 120, that's 2. 82 divided by 2, that's 41. Right? 41 below 82. 120 divided by 2, that's 60. Think of a prime number that can divide 41 or 60. So that's 2. 41 bring down because we cannot divide 41 and 2. There is a remainder. 60 divided by 2, that's 30. And then bring down, no, just think of a prime number that can divide 30 or 41. That's 3. So we have here, bring down 41. 30 divided by 3, that's 10. We can use 5. 41 divided by 5, not possible. Bring down 41. 10 divided by 5, that's 2. So think of a prime number that can divide 41 or 2, that's 2. 41, bring down. And then 2 divided by 2 is 1. Next, think of a prime number that can divide 41. And that is 41 because 41 is a prime number. So therefore, for our LCM, we have here these numbers. So that is LCM equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 2 times 41. Let's multiply. 2 times 2, that's 4, times 3 times 5 times 2 times 41. 4 times 3, that's 12, times 5 times 2 times 41. 12 times 5, that's 60. Times 2 times 41. 60 times 2 is 120 times 41. 120 times 41 is 4,920. So this is our LCM, 4,920. So that's it for getting the LCM or least common multiples. If you have inquiries about us or about the topic, kindly message the honors tutorials page. Thank you and God bless.